we'd take the F by the bus, where Brooklyn nights set us free. It's not that I don't wanna love you. It's not that I'm really over it, you know. It's just that I can't watch us bleed to death when we used to be. Brooklyn nights happy on such cheap chandelier. Remember when Dad hung it there, and we would watch Rocky IV, the one where